Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. We are traveling again this week and teaming up with our LED sponsor Auxito to take care of the low and high beam LED conversion for this 2020 Kia Sorento. Fairly easy project to do, but we're going to go ahead and walk through on some of the things just to have on hand in case you need them. So let's get started. Alright, all you'll really need is a pair of pliers, needle nose, vice grips, anything of that nature in the event that the bulbs are wanting to be a little bit difficult. And then you'll want a rag on the side in case the bulbs that you're pulling out are hot, so that way you can use this to take it out. Plus some of the metal is a little bit sharp, so this is going to be ideal to make sure we have on hand. Alright, we're going to go ahead and take care of the low beams first, which are located right here. Yeah, if you're watching this and you've seen all of the yellow pollen all over this car, it's pollen season, and this car lives in the south. So it is what it is. Clean it now. This afternoon it'll be covered again. So first thing we need to do is unscrew the weather protection cap. This is sealed, so it's going to be a little bit tight. Get that out of the way, and we'll reach in. We'll get a hold of our bulb, and we're going to turn counterclockwise. You'll hear it click, that it disconnects, and then we'll go ahead and pull it out. Little PSA, this thin metal can be sharp, so make sure you hold it tightly, either with the rag. Just don't slide your fingers across it because it will slice you open. Pull firmly and pull out. Now our replacement bulbs are going to be these very pretty Auxito H7s. These are new for 2023. These will plug back in the exact same fashion, just like a wall outlet. Push it in until it's firmly in place. Line up your hole. So you get it in, and then just literally turn it around until the tabs find the grooves on where it seats in evenly, and then turn clockwise until you hear it click. And of course, make sure you put your weather seal cap back on. Find the tabs to line up, turn clockwise. Alright, for the high beam, you have fairly easy access to it right here. Once again, you've got a weatherproof compartment door here that you have to turn counterclockwise. Now it's sealed, so be careful when you pull this thing away or you'll toss it in the air. It's not very big for you to be able to put your big sausage fingers on if you have those, so just be cautious. We'll set that to the side, and we're going to reach in, same thing, turn counterclockwise. These are different bulbs, so it will feel a little bit different. You've got your clip holding the bulb in. Pull the clip away from the bulb ever so softly, not to break that clip. Hear it click. Here's our old bulb. Alright, these are in a pretty big box. We've got our manual. It's got different sets of O-rings, your Allen tool, and zip strips, and wonderful gloves so you keep your dirty digits off of the LEDs themselves. Beautiful LEDs, great looking fans. Everything looks really nice. Alright, we've got our plug that's going to snap right into the original OEM plug. There is no difference on side because they both have a tab on either side to connect with the clip. Push it in, should be firm. Now from here, what we're going to end up doing is taking one of our little zip ties and just tying up this excess, because we're going to tuck it inside this weather sealed projector housing. So we're going to do that now. All right, we'll tuck this on inside. Insert the bulb in, find our grooves, turn until you hear the click. Make sure everything is nice and tight inside, out of the way. Let's go ahead and put our weather sealed door back on. Tuck it in and turn. And done. Okay, that wraps up another fairly simple project. Hopefully you didn't have problems with taking out your bulbs. One thing to keep in mind is with these bulbs, any type of bulb replacement for your headlights, you want to make sure that you do have the even beams and you're not blinding anyone because you did not put the bulbs back in correctly. So the best thing to do after you've tested it, make sure that they all work, is either up against a wall or up against your garage door. Just test them at your house. Make sure that they are where they are supposed to be so you're still driving safely out there.
Absolutely. The instruction manual does a very good job too, depending on your make and model, of telling you how to align these LEDs.
So definitely pay attention to those. Hope this helps out. If it did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And hey, if you're like us, where we're always trying to save money and you're looking to do an LED upgrade to your vehicle, be sure to use code WRENCHERS on Auxito.com to save you 15%. And until next episode, take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon. Bye.